In today's video, we will discuss the Anglo-Norman period, which is an important period in the history of English literature. This video has been divided into 4 parts for your easy understanding. So, without wasting any time, let's begin our video. The first part of the video is the timeline of the age. As far as the timeline of this age is concerned, it started when the Anglo-Norman king William the Conqueror defeated the Anglo-Saxon king Harold in the Battle of Hastings in 1066 AD. We cannot say that when did this period come to an end, but roughly we can say that it lasted up to 1350 AD. Okay, dear friends, it was the timeline of the age. Now let's discuss the second part of the video, which is the historical background and important events of the age. Few important things are to be kept in mind. Number first, when the Anglo-Normans defeated the Anglo-Saxons, they introduced feudalism in England. Feudalism का मतलब है जागीरदारी निज़ाम. Point number second is the ruling class used to speak French language while the common people continued to speak Old English. With the passage of time, this led to the development of Middle English, in which we find the elements of both the languages. The third important point that you have to keep in mind about this age is that the church played a central role during this period, which greatly influenced literature and culture. Due to it, we see religious themes in the literary works of the age. Similarly, the education system of that time was controlled by the clergy. Clergy कहते हैं पादरियों को. Okay, dear friends, the next important part of this video is the well-known authors of the age. We see that the Anglo-Norman period produced some important authors. Among these writers, we have number first, Geoffrey of Monmouth. Geoffrey of Monmouth is one of the greatest authors of this age. He is known for his work, History of the Kings of Britain, which popularized the legends of King Arthur, यानी जिसने King Arthur की कहानियों को मशहूर किया. Next important author of the age was Mary de France. Mary de France was a female author. She was a poetess, यानी वो एक शायरा थी, who wrote lies. It consists of short narrative poems that blended, यानी blended का मतलब है यकजा करना, that blended romance and morality. Another great author was Lyman. Lyman was an English poet known for his best work, Brut. It is one of the earliest Middle English poems that narrated the history of Britain. Okay, it was the third part of the video. Now let's move towards the last part of the video, which is well-known literary works of the age. Some of the well-known literary works of the age were, number first is the Song of Roland. It was a French epic poem that influenced the concept of heroism in English literature. The next work of the age is Sir Gawain and the Green Knight. It is a Middle English romance about a knight's bravery and moral testing. Knight's bravery and moral testing का मतलब है बहादुरी और अखलाक की आजमाइश. The next important work is The Owl and the Nightingale. It is one of the first debate poems in Middle English, which shows themes of nature and philosophy. So to conclude, we can say that the Anglo-Norman period introduced themes of chivalry and romance to English literature and paved the way for the best literature to come. So it was all about the topic, the Anglo-Norman period in English literature. I hope you may have understood it. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask me in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.